how to make a free YouTube intro. So first things first, click on the link in the description, you know what I'm saying? And you'll pop up on this site. Now, browse through it, check out what you want. We'll just pick on this, and then you click open in ClickMaker. Let it load. Yeah, my computer's pretty shitty. Now, if you want to see what this looks like, you want to click on the toggle render preview, which is the eyeball, and then you want to hit the play button. Jesus, okay, dope. Now, so the basics: video resolution. If you want to make it higher or lower, just click on this little checkbox area. You can change the frame rate, the length in seconds. Click on scene. That's nothing really. Now name. This is the important part. It's this little freaking cube. You gotta change all of these that say name to whatever you want. So say I want to put my channel. I'm gonna have to hit that, then hit enter. Then do it again. And then do it again. And last but not least, one more time. And then we'll play this back. What is this? Is this sound? Oh no. Alright. Pretty dope. Now, if you want to download this and everything's good with your name, all you have to do is click this little download button. Start your video render. It's going to render the video for you, and then once it's done rendering, then a download will pop up. And it's that simple, boys. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be posting more videos today.